Hello student, this is Ajit. Today we are going to learn altitude and median of triangle. For a triangle there are three vertices, three sides and three angles. For vertex A, opposite side is BC. For vertex B, opposite side is AC, and for vertex C, opposite side is AB. For altitude, when we draw a perpendicular from vertex to its opposite side. For vertex A, BC is a opposite side. When we draw perpendicular from A to BC, this is called altitude or height of a triangle. For a triangle, there are three vertices. Therefore, we can draw three heights or altitudes for a triangle. B to AC and from vertex C to AB. As these three altitudes pass through a common point, therefore these altitudes are concurrent. More than two line segments passing through a common point are called concurrent. Therefore these three altitudes are concurrent, and this point is called point of concurrence. But in case of altitude or heights, this point of concurrence is called orthocenter. This point of concurrence is called orthocenter. Now, definition of altitude or height. When we draw perpendicular from vertex to its opposite side, it is called height or altitude of triangle. See, for median, similarly in triangle, there are three vertices and three sides. When we draw a line segment, from vertex to midpoint of its opposite side. Vertex to midpoint of its opposite side, this is called median of a triangle. Triangle has three vertices, therefore we can draw three medians for any triangle. Medians are also concurrent, they pass through a common point. But in case of medians, this point of concurrence is called centroid. Again, definition of median. When we draw a line segment from vertex to midpoint of its opposite side. It is called median of a triangle. And for altitude, when we draw perpendicular from vertex to its opposite side, it's called altitude. Now you get the difference between altitude and median. Point of concurrence in altitude, orthocenter. Point of concurrence is median, centroid. Thank you, students.